Ken, you remember where the button is? Huh? You remember which button it is? And don't just back it up? Yeah. Okay. Okay, hold it right there. Okay, come on back. Good morning, YouTube. Or in the future, some other platform, whatever. Welcome to Young Martin's Reels. We're out on Calaveras Lake this morning. It's tax day, April the 15th. My taxes are all taken care of, so I don't have to worry about tax day. Ken's out here with me today, and we're heading for the rocks. We seem to think we did okay out there last week, and so we're going to go give that a try. We're going to see if we can bust a Ken jinx on this. A couple times me and Ken went out and have not done well together. So we did do it with that guy when he came that time.
I haven't done well this year at all.
But what was that guy's name that we brought out here? You brought him, he's your buddy.
That was last year.
Well, but still, we did good that year.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But here we are with the weather change again.
The weather change again.
So we'll see.
And
I'm gonna stop coming on weather changes.
So, well,
the
weather's constantly changing in San Antonio, so.
Gotta have that south wind though.
Yeah. But we're gonna go out. I think, unless it gets really, really boring, that we're gonna stay on the rocks today and go see how that works out for us. And see how we do. I did really well on the rocks last week, so we're gonna give it another shot and see if we can turn some fish. I took this Olympic rod home intending to try to fix the reel on it, and I did not. So I brought it back today, and I just got to keep an eye on it. And I'm not willing to come out and fish without it. It's my lucky rod. It started everything off last week, so I'm planning to keep fishing it. We'll see what happens. I think that's about it. We're heading to the rocks, and we'll sign in with you later. Catch him. He pulled that rod all the way down to the water.
That citadel you were saying.
Yeah.
Someone's just saying, oh, it doesn't catch anything.
It'll only be its second fish.
Really?
Yep.
What do we got in the water?
I got lines in the water. This one is. Let me wind this one in. Get it out of the way.
It's a little one. Wiggling.
I thought some were little the other day too until they got close to the boat.
Getting closer, getting a little angry now.
I think he's bigger than you thought.
I'm just trying to keep him on the anchor and the rest. He swallowed it. He's out there.
He's out there. Bring him in. He took off running. He ain't moving a lot. It's like he's a big, heavy catfish.
Probably.
Do you realize what that's on? That's on that little bitty hook I just put on for the bluegill and put that little piece of a tail on.
No, you did that on that one back there, I thought.
Oh, okay. It's good. I'm glad I ain't, because I was like, we ain't never gonna get him on that
Right
little.
up underneath the net.
Think so?
Get in the water once, but he ain't ready yet. Oh, he's out of there. You got that?
Yep. You seen him yet?
Yeah, he's been up 3 times now.
There he comes.
He's in that.
There we go.
That's a keeper.
He's yours. There you go.
There you go.
There he comes.
He was just like dead weight coming in.
Yeah, he didn't want to fight a lot.
Yeah,
He just
just on this little itty bitty rod. Okay. There we go. Ooh, look at him.
That's a nice fish.
That's a real nice fish. Throw the rod.
You see where I just handed that fish over to you? Say, hey, take that fish. Okay, this is a red coming in with 2 hooks in his mouth. Our hook and a previous hook.
Right there.
Yep. So, yeah. All right, let's see what he measures.
Okay.
That's a nice fish.
He's gonna be. Let's see here. 25.
25 it is.
Yep.
All right. Come on, Ken. We just got that one in the water, the 25-inch in the water. Let's see what we got coming here.
He's taking line on this one. That's for sure.
He's still on?
Oh yeah, he's out there.
Okay. So you've been pulling for a while?
Oh, he's pulling good.
Now, did you cast it out that far? Or had he taken a lot of line out?
It's pretty far. He took some line out. He was taking line out when I grabbed it. See? He wants it. I'm gonna tire him out a little bit. There he is.
You gonna bring him back here?
No, he's gonna go up here.
He's gonna go up there.
You got that net? This one needs net. I can do that right now. Ready? We'll bring him in. 1, 2.
Nope.
Nope. One more time.
He's getting in my line.
We're gonna have your line then. No. You're gonna...
I'm saying I'm trying to get away from the. He's gonna brush it off on the net.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to get away from him. There you go.
He hit that one. But he's only hooked on the corner too.
Put the net away. $22.
22, yeah.
22.
And hooked on.
There we go.
Oh, got me caught in the anchor. It's caught in the anchor.
Easy. You get off of it.
Yeah, he got off of it. Ooh, this boy wants to run. He's up here. He's right here.
Get him up a little higher. We can see him. See what we're looking at. Look, that's a catfish. That's a keeper catfish if you want him.
Yeah.
Put that slimy thing in my boat.
Definitely won the fight a bit. Come on. My neighbor likes it, so he'll love it. Give me a picture.
You didn't have it tripped down.
I had it tripped down.
You might have it too tight.
I want your line though.
Looking at a little one.
Something, or it's coming this way, one or the other. Gotta be a little one. Why say that? Swallowed it.
It's like an 18.
Yeah, swallowed it. Happy.
You can lift him out by the leader.
Yeah. Just trying to tire him out a little bit. You know what I mean? Keep peppy. There's a lot of sinker now.
I'm calling 18.
Want to do a picture while we're here?
Okay, it's been calling it a day. Everything was beautiful and bright and clean out here, and then all of a sudden we got about a 20-knot northern wind that moved in, and it got really rough and choppy. So we decided to call it a day. For now, though, we're heading in. Ken got to catch him some fish, and they're down here. I'll tell you. Here you go. There they are. There's Ken's fish. We're going to take them in here and clean them up. And for now, we're going to call this a day, folks. And for Rick Stivers, Young Martin's Reels, signing out.